Code.org launched 13 years ago with the vision of every student learning computer science, to learn how technology works, not to just use technology, but to create it. Our impact: 2 billion student activations to learn an hour of code, and 100 million students creating accounts to go beyond the first hour, reaching every city in every country. We're now at a crossroads. AI is completely transforming all of society, including education, and especially computer science. In the past, the focus of computer science was coding. Today, the focus is AI, learning how AI works, learning how to create technology, learning how to problem solve using AI, and most importantly, learning to be a responsible citizen in the age of AI. AI fluency in computer science isn't just for future software engineers. Nobody knows the jobs of the future, but a sure bet is that every job will involve AI. We have a responsibility to prepare the next generation for the biggest change in society since the invention of public education. Code.org was the beginning, our foundation. Preparing every student for the age of AI requires a broader vision. Starting today, Code.org is CodeAI.